Hi, it's Janeta. Welcome to my channel, Zazaline. In today's tutorial, we are going to be working on tiny little keychains. Very easy project to make. The styles, these ones are very similar. They have a flat bottom. You can make it nice and flat for easier storage. But once we put the lip balm in, the bottom is gonna get flat. So very easy project. You will get the PDF file for all the styles. There are 3 different styles in here. These ones are the same, and these ones are different. So you can see this one has a little bit bigger pocket, and you can put whatever you want in there. You can put lip balm or sanitizer. So this is how it looks like. It doesn't require any lining. Very easy project to make, and all you need is just some snaps and some kind of hardware. So let's get started. Okay, so I have 3 different designs, and you can download these patterns on zazalinestudio.com. And I just made one, so you can see this is the first one. They are all gonna be very similar. This one has a flat bottom, and it's very easy project to do. So all you need is some scraps. I'm using cork and vinyl, and this is my printed canvas. And then you need some hardware. So you need some snaps. I have the metal snaps. You can use plastic snaps, or you can use the magnetic snaps too. And then you need some kind of swivel hook, and I'm using both. This is exactly the same as I was using before. So you have a ring, and through the ring you can put the hook on. And these ones, I believe both of them I bought on Amazon. They are quite inexpensive. This pattern, just to let you know, the width will match 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters. So I have designed it for the 1 inch wide swivel hook. Okay, so let's grab the first pattern, and just to show you when you are putting the patterns together, just so you know which one goes where, I have put 3 different designs so you know which pieces connect together. So anyway, so let's start with this one, and that's the one I was making here. And for this one I will use my swivel hook. So very easy. All you have to do, I'm not using any lining, because this is raw edge that doesn't fray, so we don't really have to do much about it. So anyways, let's put this in. If you want, you can put a little bit of glue here. I think I will just leave it as it is. And you see, it's a perfect match for 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters. So we will clip it in place, take it to the machine, and we are just gonna sew right in here. Okay, so now when we are done, we are gonna fold this under, but make sure you fold it away so there's enough space for the snaps. So you just want to fold it about 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter over, this much. And then you will find the midline and put the snap in there. Okay, so I put in the plastic snaps. Now we will put them together so we know the exact placement. And now we are gonna take the bottom and you just push in a little bit, and we want to have a little fold, little double fold on the sides. So we don't have to do anything too big. I think this is gonna be enough. And that way we are gonna create a little flat bottom. And then we are gonna take it to the sewing machine, and we are gonna open this up, and we are gonna sew right here and right here, and make sure you double stitch on both sides. And this is how it looks like when we put the lip balm in. You put it in, you make this flat, you close it, and you can put it on a keychain or your purse or whatever you want. So that's how easy it is. Okay, so let's make one more, and it's exactly the same. This time I'm just gonna use the ring and a swivel hook, and it should be the perfect match. There we go. And you can always adjust it a little bit. If you feel like this is too big, you can make it a little bit smaller. Okay, this is where it should be. So I'm gonna clip it. We will take it to the machine. And we are gonna sew right in here, right underneath. And if you want, you can do 2 lines. You can do one here and one here. And so once you sew right in here, again, we are gonna make sure that these 2 pieces are overlapping, and we can find the midline, and this time I'm gonna do my black one right in here. So once your snap is in, we are gonna do the same thing on the bottom. We are gonna do a little, you just push in, and we will do a little fold on the side. So it's a little double fold, it looks like a little heart. And then we will do the same thing on this side. And it could be just like maximum of 1 centimeter big fold. Make sure they line up, and then we will take it to the sewing machine, and we are gonna do both sides. Okay, and again, all done. Let's try how it's gonna fit in, and push it all the way to the bottom. This is gonna get flat. We can easily close it, and there we go, another one done. Now the last one is slightly different. So if you can see on the bottom, we are not gonna make flat bottom, but we are gonna create it in a different way. So first of all, again, let's attach the hardware. Okay, so now when we see this cut out, we will fold it right in there, and that way we are gonna find out where is the fold and where we should put the snap. So again, we are gonna find a midline. We are gonna attach the snaps first. Okay, so the snap is done, and now we are gonna do a little different way. So we will take this notch, the cutout, we are gonna face it together. We are gonna sew this part first, and then we are gonna turn it and sew all the way up like so, and it's gonna create this little fold, a little pocket. And so this is how it looks like. So we have a little pocket that will give us more dimension, and we can easily put this in and close it. And this one has a little bit more space, so you can put even money in there or sanitizer. So this last one, it's this one, and so it's a little bit wider compared to the other ones. So yeah, this is it. So as you can see, they are all very similar. These ones are a little bit more narrow. This one is a little bit wider, but otherwise, very easy project. And again, you can download this pattern on zazalinestudio.com.